Today we're working on a Mitsubishi Pajero Sport. These are the Wedgetail rails we're going to be using. Remove the rail covers to reveal the factory bolts underneath. There are 3 bolts on each side and 1 in the middle. Using a socket, remove the factory bolts from the rail. Remove the factory rail from the roof. Open and organize your bolts and washers that are included. Mounts, washers, ring washers and bolts. Secure the mount to the roof with bolts, washers and tighten with a hex key. There are 5 mounts for each side. Bolt the rail cover to the first bolt hole where the factory rail was. It might need to be bent to shape the curve. Wedgetail rails for the Pajero Sport are designed to be able to be bent a small amount to fit the curve of the roof. Using bolts, washers and nuts, begin securing the rails to the mounts on the roof. Secure uni-strut nuts to the rails by hand so they are still loose. Lower the rack onto the rails so the uni-strut nuts slot between the channels of the rack. Measure the overhang to ensure the rack is centered. Tighten the uni-strut nuts by hand so the rack can still be adjusted if needed. Finish tightening the uni-strut nuts with a spanner so the rack cannot be moved.